Just checking out the new Hotpoint Energy Power 4 Pro Hygiene, which was given to me by Appliance Online. Now I apologise for the state of my house, but I've just moved in and I am decorating, so there's lots of lovely mess to clear up. Let's see what's inside the box. Packed immaculately. Got an instruction manual. Very well made. And some good features, lots of great additions for vacuuming all of those extra difficult places, which I've got plenty of in my new house, including very narrow stairs. Wow, this is amazingly made. Alright, I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm going to get the rest of this out and lay it out before I continue. I'm going to point out how good it works, pros and cons. But look at this, it's like wow! I feel like it could be some sort of power trooper with all these tools. I might have to vacuum dance with this. Right, let's put it all together, see how easy it is. I'll get back to you. So I'm just assembling some of this, and I've just added the extendable tubing and this piping here, and there's actually a pipe length regulator, which to me, this looks just, oh my god, it's just like an amazing piece of equipment. It's so sturdy. Anyway, I'll show you what it does, if I can hold it and do it at the same time. We really need two persons here. So I'm going to hold you here, and I can actually regulate and lengthen the length of it for when I'm vacuum cleaning. Pretty good. Okay, very excited. I get sadly excited about equipment, and I get very confused easily. So if I can manage to put something together and it's easy, then that is good for me. And this is fairly good, fairly easy. The instructions are pretty simple. It goes step by step, and you've actually got all the numbers correlate to all of what's in the box, so even I can work this out. I don't need any help. So I'm going to keep going and I'll get back to you with the rest of the review. So I'm all plugged in just to try out this simple basic daily feature with the brush roll and the tubing. Let's just see what it's like. What's the sound like? Wow. In here, the suction is phenomenal. Wow. Right. The minute it seems so powerful, I'm finding it difficult to push it along the carpet. I'm just going to have a look at the instructions again and see if there's something I'm doing wrong. I extended the plug to its full length. And to get it back, you just press this basically. And that's it. Easy peasy. As you can see, it's a really strong, well built vacuum cleaner, and other than the usual brush technology to help suction the dust and dirt from carpets and floors and other items. There's also a UV light which can help apparently sterilise and not only collect dust but acts as an antiseptic when cleaning surfaces. So really good for those that are really house proud and want super clean homes. Now, one function I was really looking forward to in this vacuum cleaner was really deep cleaning my stairs, but as you can see I have very narrow stairs. Unfortunately I couldn't see a way of using the brush on the actual stairs without having an accident, so I'm using this more focused nozzle to see how it goes. There's a lot of cat hair from previous owners who had a cat. Let's see how it goes. So we did a pretty good job of removing cat hair from the stairs, but it just took a lot longer than I expected, as I had to use the slimline nozzle. It's really well made vacuum cleaner, lots of great attachments for everywhere, but it's a little bit on the heavy side for carrying up and down stairs. It would have been great if there was a bit more of a detachable function. Right, let's see how it extends out. Fab. And this is specifically for hard floors, and I'm going to use it on the laminate floor. So go ahead, Michael. Okay, how simple is it to empty the bin after it's been used, Michael?
Just unclip that.
Yeah.
Lift it off.
Yeah.
Turn it over.
Oh wow, that's pretty funky.
Press that.
How cool is that?
And release the lid.
Wow.
And
It's very sci-fi.
empty it.
Yeah.
There's no dust going all over the floor.
No?
Close it and click it back in there.
Wow, that's pretty easy. Thank you.